staff in Laybay East District headed by the Principal 2 of Nason Central Elementary School, Ma'am Roda Sevillano. The school heads, teachers of my beloved town, the District of Libacao. Sa akong mga kasimanwa sa tanan-tanan, ayan, ngagahon ka ang tanan. In the story of my career here in the Department of Education, it is always my dream to serve my hometown and be part of its development through education and other undertakings in which my participation is necessary. This has been my goal after my promotion to Public Schools District Supervisor on June 25, 2013. And after more than 10 long years, pero mahaba patagalay Sir Sean. After serving several districts in our division, finally, I'm home. My assignment in other districts was really an opportunity for me to grow and to gain much needed experiences as an answer to the requirements of my position. It was also by that chance that I learned many things essential to my professional growth. I embraced those moments of meeting with local leaders and stakeholders in other municipalities. Working with them gave me an insight of many management approaches applicable to education system. My experiences with the school heads, teachers, and non-teaching personnel, like my acquaintance to DepEd family of Ibay East District, was valuable and fruitful. They learned from me, but of course, I also learned from them. It was by those activities, meetings, seminars, school visitations, technical assistance, and the like, that we were able to remarkably accomplish the many tasks defined to our designation. Doing the right things and timely actions with collaboration and respect were the key to better performance. My task as educator and public servant is capsulized by the guiding principles I must follow here in my new assignment, the District of Libacao. I believe that serving the people of Libacao through education is my primary responsibility. I value healthy human relationships, treating others with patience, kindness, and respect. I believe that issues and concerns must be addressed at once through sincere communications and friendly dialogues. I believe in a school environment that is physically and emotionally safe.